Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great in this video. In today's guide, I am going to show you how to fix the non-tradable symbol issues in TradingView. If you have ever tried to place a trade or connected your broker and saw that annoying messages, don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you solve it quickly. So first, let's understand the causes. The non-trade symbol message appears when the assets you're trying to trade is not supported by your connected broker, or you are using a free trade view plans on trying to access premium broker integrations, or the market symbol is non-only charting, not for direct trading. So check your broker connections, open Tradingview and go to the trading plan at the bottom. Here you can see this. The trading panel at the bottom. Ensure your broker is connected properly. If not, click connect. Here you can see this. The lot of. So now you can choose anyone, and so you can click don't remember and connect and log into your broker account. Make sure your broker actually supports the symbol you want to trade. For example, some brokers supports only forex and not stock or crypto. Verify the symbol. Look at the trigger symbol. Here you using, search for the same assets under a broker supported list. Example, instead of BTC USD index, use brokers versions like BTC USD. Then if the symbol is not available, you won't be able to trade it directly in TradingView. So if your current symbol is non-tradable, change it to one supported by your brokers. For example, if you want to trade euro or USD, choose the pair provided by your brokers, not a generic one. This will unlock the trade button. So if you on a free plan, some trading integrations may not be available, consider upgrading to Pro Plus or Premium if needed, or connect a different broker that supports the instrument you want to trade. And that's it. That's how to fix the non-tradable symbol problems in TradingView. Just check your broker connections and use the correct symbol and make sure the assets is supported for living trading. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.